Kiddo, this is Miss Leticia, and today we're gonna do volcano explosion. We're gonna leave baking soda, vinegar, and food color, any container, and a plate. The plate is better than any paper towel. First, you're gonna put in baking soda. See the baking soda? And maybe like 3 or 4 drops of food coloring. Two. And the last ingredient is vinegar. Now you have to be very careful. Be with your parents. Ready? This is the explosion part. Ready, set, and go. Explosion. Volcano. Wow. I hope you like it. Thank you. Bye.